Do you want to go see baby sister?
Yeah.
Let's go see her. Where is she?
Yeah.
Hi, baby sister. Hi, she's asleep, right?
She is asleep. Do you want to look at her?
Yeah.
Why don't you come sit by Mama? Susie can help you. Come here. Do you want to see her?
My baby sister.
Let's
Yes, she is. Here.
hold her
Here.
head up. Hold her head up.
Here she is. Dada. I want to look in her tummy.
Well, it's empty now.
I want to see it.
Well, baby sister came out, buddy.
Look, can you
She's
hold
not
her
in
head
there
up?
anymore.
Can you hold her
What?
She's not in there anymore.
No, I want to look at her right now.
Not right now, honey. Look at sister.
I want to look at her right now. Do you have a present?
Yeah, she got you a present. Here, do you want to look at her? Look at her little hands.
Oh, is she talking?
No, she's not talking. She's just showing you her tongue. Is that what she's doing?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
What? Did you take your shoes off?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's on the bed.
I want to go see something.